Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ruchi's 3K. Today we'll be making tomato and olive spaghetti. This is an ideal summer pasta with fresh tomatoes as the main attraction. Cheese as well as olive oil complements the tomatoes beautifully. So let's start with the recipe. But before starting, I'll again request you all to please subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icons for updates. To start with, we first need 250 grams of spaghetti. I have boiled the spaghetti in salted water along with some olive oil so that it doesn't stick together. Once boiled, drain it and pass it through cold running water. Along with this, we need 400 grams of tomatoes, olive oil, olives. This is one big onion along with 4 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, 1 cup of pasta water. Save it while draining the spaghetti. Italian seasoning, mixed herbs and chili flakes. We will first make a smooth paste of onions and garlic along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This is approximately 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Our onion and garlic paste is ready. In the same way, we will blend the tomatoes into a smooth puree. Our tomato puree is also ready. Heat 4 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Once hot, add in the onion and garlic paste and stir for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir it continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Our onion paste is now cooked. We will now add the tomato puree to it. Cook it for 7 to 8 minutes, stirring it occasionally. After 7 to 8 minutes, our pasta sauce is almost ready. You can see the change in color. Now we will add chili flakes according to your taste, some Italian seasoning or mixed herbs or oregano, whatever you have. If the tomatoes are very sour, do add 1/3 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well. Now we will add half a cup of pasta water and we will again cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Do not add the whole pasta water at a time. Add salt according to your taste. Keep in mind that we have added salt while boiling the spaghetti also. While this is being cooked, let's move on to our garlic bread preparation. This is a very quick and simple preparation which I make quite often. I have taken 2 slices of bread. These are 7 to 8 cloves of garlic mixed in melted butter. We will add a pinch of salt to it as the butter is already salted. Mix it well. Now apply a generous layer of this butter and garlic mixture on the bread. Now sprinkle some pepper on it and season it with oregano and chili flakes. Top it with grated cheese and then this will go in the preheated oven for 4 to 5 minutes and it will be ready. After 4 to 5 minutes, now our pasta sauce is finally ready. Now is the time to add our spaghetti. Here is a tip for you all. After boiling and draining the spaghetti, always toss it with some olive oil so that it doesn't become sticky. Here goes in our spaghetti in the sauce. Now add in half a cup of olives. I have used here green olives as black olives were not available. You can use black or green, whatever you wish. Toss it well. This will take some time. Do it gently or your spaghetti will break. After taking out in a bowl, sprinkle some black pepper and grated cheese on it. Be generous with the cheese. Our tomatoes and olive spaghetti is now ready. Serve it with garlic bread and enjoy your meal. Do try this recipe and give your feedback in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Until then, take care. Goodbye.